Unveiling the mystery of expandable storage. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're uncovering the meaning behind a tech-savvy term that you've probably come across: expandable storage. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about modern gadgets, understanding this phrase is key. So, let's get started and explore what expandable storage is all about. At its core, expandable storage refers to the ability of a device, like a smartphone, tablet, or laptop, to increase its storage capacity through external means. Unlike built-in storage, which is fixed, expandable storage allows users to add more space for their files, photos, videos, and apps. This is typically achieved by using removable storage media, such as SD cards or external hard drives. In a world where we're capturing more photos, downloading more apps, and saving more files than ever, having enough storage space on our devices is crucial. Expandable storage offers a flexible solution to this problem. It lets users upgrade their storage capacity as their needs grow, without having to replace their entire device. This feature is especially valuable for devices with limited internal storage or for users who handle large amounts of data. Using expandable storage is generally straightforward. For devices like smartphones and cameras, it usually involves inserting a micro SD card into a designated slot. For computers and laptops, connecting an external hard drive or SSD via USB is a common approach. The key is to ensure that the storage medium is compatible with your device and that it's properly formatted to store your data securely. Expandable storage comes with its own set of advantages and drawbacks. On the plus side, it offers cost-effective flexibility and can be a lifesaver for devices with non-upgradable internal storage. However, it's important to be aware of potential speed differences between internal and external storage and the risk of losing or damaging removable storage media. Balancing these factors is crucial when deciding whether expandable storage is right for your needs. And there you have it, a closer look at the concept of expandable storage. We hope this video has shed some light on this useful feature and how it can benefit your digital life. Whether you're looking to boost your device's storage capacity or just curious about tech terms, understanding expandable storage is a great step forward. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content soon. Happy learning!